That's ridiculous. Oh man, can't see shit. Guys, hope you guys have a great day. Have a great day. Go do some maintenance shit. If you ever see it like that, there's only so much you can do. I mean, yeah, it's my first maintenance here. You can tell no one's giving a fuck. How do they expect you to get the fuck in there? I cannot, dude. These fucking manufacturers. Like that, maybe. Wow. Yes. Real good. Unfucking real. That's crazy shit. Oh yeah. Real fucking nice of it. These are so fucked. Like, this shit hasn't been cleaned in fucking years, dude. Like, that shit's so caked in there. There's like nothing you can do. It's like so fucked, it's insane. Like, yeah. So fucked. And then we'll use the crazy shit. Morning. Johnstone had that fucking motor in stock, 460 volt, this condenser fan motor I was waiting on. So I ordered a motor from North American HVAC, and they're the most cunty fucking motherfuckers ever, dude. I tried to return the motor and like 30% restocking fee, and then we didn't see that in any of this email, so we sound like 3 different threads, and they're like, we've told you many times before, we're tired of telling you this. What the fuck? Bitch, are you serious? In all caps too on an email. I'm like, I just spent $600 on a motor with you, and I'm willing to spend another $600 more. And I've spent plenty of money with this dumbass online company, but that's it. No more. Fuck that. So, North American HVAC, you can suck my fucking dick. So, there's that. Rocking the fresh kicks, bud. Here, I don't wear boots. These look nice, and they're comfortable, and they're white. So I look even fresher. I literally plug this thing in and put some fucking screws back. Ta-da! Easy peasy, baby. So if the motor keeps dropping on you, just tighten the band up just enough where you can barely slide it and it holds it. Ta-da! So there's that. Plugs in. Simple enough. 1/2 inch. Now for our blade. Gotta put blade on. He's not black, but he does like to slay. You know what I'm saying? Hey, you know what I'm saying? Ta-da! Ta-da! What a nice day. Alright. So here's a little set screw trick. You wanna push this one in as hard as you can, and then back it out, and then reseat it one more time. And this way it'll never come out. That's a little trick I learned back in the day. Seat it in really hard, back it out, and then set it. So, I don't know if you guys do that or not, but that's how I do it. Cause, yeah, let me get my bigger wrench. This is, yeah, it's not gonna do it. It's not gonna do it. So I already set it in. So now we're gonna just bag it out. Bag it out a little bit and back in, and that's it. And now that thing will never fucking come off. Okay, so now you know my little secret. Alright, so obviously that went fucking smooth as shit. And so I got my next call out here. Ready? You ever had this one? When I turn on my unit, it smells like Poupurri. What? So I have to go to a retirement home where there is assisted living, whatever you call it. And the whole place has Poupurri and fragrant shit everywhere. The whole place smells like a fucking old funeral parlor. Old bowling alley or something. Yeah. So they told the maintenance guys who worked there, they're like, yeah, this lady's crazy. So I went there yesterday, and the lady who called me was like, hey, sorry I missed you, you came early. And I was like, well, I told you I'd be there between 2 and 4, but most likely I'd be there earlier. It's not my fault you're in a meeting for 3 fucking fucking hours. So anyways, make a longer story short here. She called me the second I got fucking home. It was like, hey, sorry I missed you. Yeah, she wants a professional to come check it out because it smells like Poupurri when she turns on her unit. I was like, wait, so when she turns on her unit, it smells great? That's the call I have to go to. HVAC, Poupurri. You know me. Let's do the deed. Yeah, fucking interesting. So, let's go see what's up. I don't know if I'm going to film in there or not. Probably not. It's kind of mean to film an old lady. But, what a crazy call. So, anyways, I'm going to go see what's going on. Late. You guys ever have the parts house go, like, you know, you go to buy a part and they're like, oh, wow, $500. Oh, man, that's expensive. Like, what? I hate when they say that shit. Like, I mean, their paycheck's probably $1,500 a week, so yeah, it's a third of their paycheck. So, I mean, I guess. But at the same time, it's so irritating to me when it's like, dude, I'm charging the customer $1,000 for that motor. So, you know what I'm saying? So, it was $500, like, that's $1,000 to $1,100 for the customer, plus fucking 2 hours labor. So, that's I don't know. I just can't stand that shit. It drives me fucking nuts. Oh, man, that's expensive. What? So, compared to what? $500? What the fuck can you do with $500? Nothing. You can do nothing with $500. Zero things. You can buy the motor. You could definitely buy the motor. That's for sure. You got $500. Anyways, I'm rant over. On to the Poupurri smell call. Jesus Christ. I was thinking of some funny ass shit. I should bring in that field piece leak detector and tell her it's my Poupurri meter, dude. Oh my fucking god. I bet I could. But then they're like, well, this is a Poupurri detector. It's a fragrance detector. So let's see if I'm gonna fucking do it. Oh my god, it's gonna be fucking hilarious. Maybe I'll put my phone in my pocket just to film the audio. Oh my god, yeah. Man, you gotta have fun sometimes. And I don't know I was thinking, like, what tools do you bring in for a Poupurri? My unit smells like Poupurri. I don't know. The field piece leak detector that doesn't work? Yeah, boy. That's what we're gonna do. I like it. Anyways, stay tuned. Well, the lady's like, do you smell it? I was like, it smells like brownies in here. Did you were like bacon or something? She wasn't having it. It's like, well, you're the professional they called in. I was like, I'm not a professional Poupurri smeller, though. I mean, I don't smell anything. So, I don't know what to fucking tell you. Anyways, yeah, there's like 4 people in there trying to tell this lady. And then she's like, I was like, where? Hold on a second. She has this like giant cornucopia there. I was like, how old is this? And she was like, well, it's like 60 something years old. I go, how many homes has been in 60 years? Like, because that thing smells, and it's literally right by the return. So that's literally what it is. No, it's not. I'm not accepting that. I go, put your nose over that and fucking whiff. It's the same thing. So I don't know how to talk to like people. So I was like, put your fucking nose over it. And they're like looking at me like, you just swear at this lady? Yeah, because you're fucking crazy. So I don't give a fuck. If you're crazy, you're crazy. You can fucking get sworn at too if you're fucking nuts. So it is what it is. Yeah, fucking look, eh? Fucking smell it, eh? Jesus, some people need that shit. Fucking dumb. Anyways, so I'm not a professional Poupurri smeller. I don't ever claim to be, but alright. On with the day. Weirdos.